ImportError, no module named Sklearn, Python. I want to use scikit-learn. I have typed to install it, but when I type, it returns I followed other tutorials, but it doesn't work. Furthermore, my environment returns this warning. If you have installed scikit-learn from source, please do not forget to build the package before using it. Run python setup.py install or make in the source directory. What is the true code to type in the terminal? I tried to type python setup.py install in the terminal, but it doesn't work.
Make sure that pip and Python are the same version. For example, if you run pip for Python 2.7, it will install the package only in 2.7, and if your Python command point to, for example, Python 3.3 interpreter, it will not have that package.
You don't have the package scikit-learn installed. Try this if you are in a terminal Linux. If you want to install the package within your code use,
try.
Not only for this package, but also for almost cases, please try using Python 3 and pip install Sklearn if pip install Sklearn does not work.
I think you haven't installed Sklearn. Try this on your Python terminal and proceed with your code.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.